Welcome to the instructions video for the Smartphone Projector Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you design a DIY projector system using your smartphone and a simple lens. You'll be able to calculate the exact focal length needed and determine how large your projected image will be based on your setup. To use this calculator, start by entering your smartphone screen size in the diagonal measurement field. For example, enter 6 inches for a typical smartphone. Next, input your desired projection distance, which is how far the wall or screen will be from your lens. Let's use 200 centimeters. Then enter your lens focal length. A common magnifying glass might be around 10 centimeters. The calculator uses the thin lens equation to determine the object distance, which is where you need to place your phone relative to the lens. It also calculates the magnification ratio and the resulting projected screen size, showing you exactly how big your image will appear on the wall. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.